Newton's experiments on recombination of spectrum of white light. A. Newton conducted an experiment using two identical prisms made of the same material with the same refracting angles. He directed white light through a slit onto prism A, which produced a spectrum on a white screen. Next, he inserted prism B in an inverted position and observed that a patch of white light appeared on the screen. Fig. 5.5. Reason of recombination of colors. Prism B effectively reversed the dispersion caused by the prism A by directing the dispersed colors back towards its base at different angles. This realignment caused the colors to converge and recombine into white light before emerging from prism B. Essentially, prisms A and B together functioned like a glass slab with parallel sides. Prism A dispersed the white light, acting as a dispersing prism, while prism B recombined the dispersed light, acting as a recombination prism. B. Newton's color disk is a circular disk made of metal or cardboard. The disk is divided into 7 colors of spectrum, each painted with one of the 7 colors of the spectrum. The size of each sector corresponds to the proportion of that color in the solar spectrum. The disk is attached to a wheel that can be rapidly rotated using a handle, as depicted in Figure 5.6. When the disk spins quickly, the individual colored sectors blend together, and the entire disk appears as a dull white color. Visible spectrum and invisible spectrum. We have studied that when we pass sunlight through a triangular glass prism, then we get a band of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, Vibgyor. The human eye can detect a very small segment of the spectrum with wavelength ranging from about 4 by 107 meters to 7 by 107 meters. This is called visible spectrum because we can see these colors with our eyes. All the colors of the visible spectrum have different wavelengths, with red color having the longest wavelength, 7 by 107 meters, and violet color having the shortest wavelength, 4 by 107 meters. So, the spectrum of 7 colors of light that have wavelengths ranging from 4 by 107 meters, violet, to 7 by 107 meters, red, that we can see is called a visible spectrum. The regions of spectrum that do not sensitize human eye and hence are not visible are called invisible spectrum.